can see, we are done with it. The torch is working perfectly fine. As you can see, the fan is working perfectly nice. We now have that heavy power to push this. I'll be doing a video on this lead, this Luton battery DC fan. So please don't forget to like, share and comment.
Okay guys, here we are.
Okay,
Look at the DC fan here.
let's move to the video. So as you can see, it's not working. But the lead light is working. And it's charging. And it's charging perfectly well. Okay. Now let's get to work. First, you pull out the battery. And you lose all the nuts. Please, if you like what I'm doing, just like my video and comment. So any day I upload new video, you are the first person that will see it. So whenever you are doing this kind of thing, there is something you must consider first before you go into PCC or arranging. You see where the problem is from? It's from this connector. The problem is from the connector. Please, we are still on Rokaman Creative. Please click on the like button and share my video so that other people will see it and learn. Take this out. So this is just the Luton side. There's no nut there. Okay. So this is not pulling out. Because of what? If you look at it, it's the rolling part that's inside here. There's no use not to pull it out. So we'll just from here okay, I think this is what we have to do now. We got to clean up this side. Okay. So let's order this. We'll connect it to another cable which is positive and negative. Let me use my candlestick to just hold the please sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, I'm done with it. So this terminal here is for positive and here is for negative. Negative pole, negative wire. This one is the positive I'm holding now. Very sorry for how the video goes. It's because of lack of storage. So I'm done with the video. Unfortunately, it took me back. This terminal here is for negative. Let's connect negative here. And this terminal here is for positive. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Okay, now we are done. Okay, let us slot the battery in. Check how far. Wow. You can see it's working perfectly fine. Okay. So now let's do the coupling. Let's move our battery. Slot the cable in this place. Please, we are still on Rokaman Creative. If you love what I'm doing, please like, share, and comment. What do you have to say about this video? If there's any issue, please just say it in the comment section. Or if there's any correction, please just say it in the comment section. Okay, so I forget to insert. Okay, so now let's tighten our knot. Please click on the like button. Click on the like button. What do you have to say about this video? Say into the comment section anything you want me to do, any video you want me to do for you. I'm done. See, it's working perfectly fine. You can see it's working perfectly fine. Hello guys, you can see we are done with it. The torch is working perfectly fine. As you can see, the fan is working perfectly nice. And now that every power to push this. Please don't forget to follow my page, Rokaman Creative, YouTube, Rokaman Creative, TikTok, Instagram, or Rokaman Creative. Next week we're going to make a video on charger. As you can see, this is a new charger, but it's not working, so we're going to make a video on it. I will make sure that this will work. Because I'm still Rokaman Creative. Like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.